Good morning, Evelyn. I'm making a video showing how your antique musical rotating Christmas tree stand works, and I thought it would be nice to make it without the dome so you can see how everything works. So this here functions as the winding lever. So bear with me. Hard to do this with one hand. I'm going to turn this, and that's what winds the mechanism. Let's turn the stop lever on. And then I'm going to remove this now. And this will set on top of the dome. So what we have here is there is the governor fan attached to the endless screw. When you turn this lever to the left, you can see it starts spinning. And now the top spindle, which your cup would sit on with the Christmas tree, will rotate. Now how the music works, see, that gear is rotating right now. This lever here, when you slide it to the left, that's going to engage the gear on this music box. I'm going to disengage it, and I didn't give the mechanism that much of a wind. Now, the larger music box sitting to the right, when I move this lever to the right, that is going to engage that set of gears. And now this music box will play. I'm going to disengage it again. And now when you don't have the music playing, it's always good to disengage the music operating lever at the end of a song. That way the teeth on the comb are not engaged with the pins on the cylinder. And then to turn it off, as you can see, again, this lever here, and there's a little wire right there. You slide that to the left, and that blocks the governor fan. So that's how it works. Take care.